What up, what up, what up? Welcome to Beauty School. This is Stylist John. I'm about to give myself the Young Jeezy. Shout out to Young Jeezy. Man, your concert was amazing in St. Louis. I tip my hat off to you. I see your growth and elevation. The music was live. You definitely hit the classics that made everybody go nuts. So I'm about to get straight to it. I'm going to do my skincare regimen. So I don't know if y'all really peeped this, man. Jeezy take real good care of himself. Okay? If y'all look at some of the pictures of him 20 years ago, skin looked the same. Brother take real good care of himself. So I take good care of myself. I'm gonna definitely cut the goatee off, and I'm gonna go with the classic Jeezy look. Okay? The snowman. All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and get straight to it. I ain't gonna play no games with it. Okay, so, and every time I do it, I do it for your hood. And every time I do it, I do it for my hood. It's understood, I do it for my hood. Shout out to the north side. Shreve and Margaretta. Alright, so look. This the look that Jeezy had when the Snowman album came out. Thug Motivation. He had a clean baby face. He had the Atlanta Falcons hat on, cocked to the side. It was black. He had on the white tee. And this was the look that he had. I'm going to go ahead and do my skincare regimen. A lot of music artists take real good care of themselves, or they have people that help them take good care of themselves. So just FYI, brothers, it's okay to take care of yourself. This is one of my favorite go-tos, Noxzema. Okay, here we go. Alright, so look. Face clean. Face gonna be baby bottom clean in about 5-10 minutes, alright? Hot towel. Take the hot towel, prep my skin real good. I'm probably gonna use 2 of them. Use one first for my head. Man, the hot towel feels so good after a haircut. I'm just saying, like, after a long day, you come into the shop, you book the elite service with me. You don't get a shampoo. You don't get the hot towel. The hot towel gonna be wrapped around your face like this. You don't feel nothing but the soothing steam. And the water I put on the towel is aromatherapeutic to you. Then you're gonna get the steam facial while the hot towel is around your face like this. While you at the shampoo bowl chilling. I'm shampooing your hair. You got the hot towel around your face to prep the skin and the steam facial to make you very relaxed. I had clients that fell asleep at the chair bowl getting their shampoo. After the steam facial and the shampoo is completed, rest out the shampoo, put you under the dryer chair for your hair to dry. Then I escort you back to my shop chair, and then comb your hair down, give you a fire haircut. After I give you the fire haircut, enhance it, and then give you the 5-minute shoulder, neck, and back massage. And then you tip me, I pass you a water or a drink, dap you up, write down the time frame for your next appointment, or if you join the membership, if you join the Elite Barbers membership, then you're going to get 4 haircuts a month for the amount that you pay for the membership, okay? Dap you up, pass you a stack of cards to refer me some business, friends, family, people that compliment your hair. And then till the next time I see you, I'm Stylist John. Doing the classic Jeezy look. Shout out to Jeezy, he just performed in St. Louis. I really enjoyed your performance. I can't wait to collab with you on some music. I got some beats that you definitely gonna love. And I got a couple songs I wrote that might possibly help you get a Grammy. I know you probably got several awards, but I know you a heck of a writer, but I got a couple songs that's some bangers that you definitely gonna love. So when you see this video, definitely tap in with me. I would love to give you an elite service, Look at that. Baby bottom smooth. The Young Jeezy look, the classic Young Jeezy look. No facial hair, everything clear. He had on the white tee and he had on the black tee with the cocked hat to the side. If you in the St. Louis area, or if you out of town, because I do travel. If you in the St. Louis area and you do not have a barber, a consistent barber, I would love to cater and serve you with great quality. You can book me online at www.stylistjohn.com, 314-359-5499. I can get you fly. And if you are a single mother and you have multiple sons and you don't feel comfortable going to the barber shop, I would like to introduce myself to you. You bring your sons up here. You and I will have a conversation so you can get a good feel for who I am. You can bring your sons up here. We'll have a talk about life. I'll cut their hair. And I would love to be their consistent barber so I can help you feel comfortable in the shop. And also, your boys can keep their hair cut as they continue growing as young men. A lot of men have barbers that they've known for a very long time. And so, sisters, if you have children and they do not have a barber and you upset with your son for not wanting to brush his hair and he think his hair is beanie and he don't want to comb his hair, send him to me. I know exactly how to help him, because I was a young man that had very coarse hair and it used to hurt when I would comb my head. Whenever I would comb my hair was so thick and my hair was so strong that when I would comb it, I would break the comb. So I didn't like combing my head. I had to learn how to use products that work well with my hair. They used to call me juices and berries. I mean, literally, because my hair was that strong. So look, ladies, if you have sons, you have children, okay, you have young sons and you have teenage sons, and they do not have a consistent barber, come up here, talk with me, call me on the phone. All right, we'll develop a strong association to where you will feel comfortable enough, to pull up, drop your sons off. We'll have a conversation. I'll cut their hair. I'll escort them out to the car, and they'll be fresh every week or every 2 weeks. All right? I'm Stylist John. This is my rendition of the classic Jeezy look. The clean face with the bald head and the clear skin. I nailed it. Tell me what you think. Leave your comments below.